3 buckles on the table from Texas, and then I'm wearing the fourth buckle from Texas.
The Pea Ridge Agriculture Animal Science Pathway offers courses including Introduction to Agriculture, Animal Science 1 and 2, Veterinary Science, as well as opportunities for career practicums and internships in this field of study.
I think it's very well worth it, especially if you want to go into an animal science field. We do learn quite a bit. The higher up you go, the more you dive deeper into it. So this year we learned about different internal and external parasites.
Potential career paths include veterinary assistant or veterinarian, animal or poultry scientist, farm or ranch manager, and careers such as poultry industry operations or agribusiness, both of which are in high demand in Arkansas. Students have the opportunity to earn industry certifications such as Certified Veterinary Assistant, as well as the chance to join the National FFA organization.
It really opened up my passion for livestock and animals, and it's not just specifically for agriculture. It brought me out of my shell. I used to be super shy. I would never be doing this if I never joined FFA.
Students who complete 3 credits within the program guidelines will be identified as completers, recognized at an honors ceremony, and will receive a medal to wear at graduation.